Today, I will show you how to upgrade your Hostinger plan in a simple and stress-free way. Whether your website is growing or you just need more features, this process is easy to follow. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Hostinger website by typing hostinger.com. Once the homepage loads, you will see all the tools and services Hostinger provides for website owners. Before making any changes, you need to log into your account. Look at the top right corner and click the login button. Enter your email and password. If you cannot remember your password, Hostinger gives you a quick recovery option. After logging in, you will be taken to the H panel, which is the main dashboard for managing your hosting services. This panel is important because it gives you full control over your hosting, domain settings, security options, and more. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you have not used it before. Next, click on the Home section of the H panel. The Home section works like a control center for everything related to your hosting account. From here, you can see your active services, upcoming renewals, and other useful details. Now find the option called All Products. Click on it to open a full list of Hostinger services. This section is very helpful because it shows everything Hostinger offers in one place, from shared hosting and cloud hosting to VPS and email services. This makes it easier for you to compare options and choose the upgrade that matches your website needs. Once you are in the All Products section, look for the Explore Plans button. Click this to view all available hosting plans. Hostinger displays each plan clearly so you can understand the features, performance levels, storage, speed, and extra tools included. Take your time to compare the plans and decide which upgrade is best for your website growth. Whether you need faster loading, more storage, or better performance, there is a plan made to fit your goals. After choosing the plan you want, follow the upgrade steps on the screen. Hostinger guides you through the process smoothly. Once completed, your hosting account will be updated with the new features and improved performance. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to navigate Hostinger and upgrade your hosting plan with confidence. This upgrade helps your website grow, stay reliable, and give your visitors a better experience. If you need help with other Hostinger tools or hosting topics, feel free to explore more tutorials. I am here to guide you every step of the way as you build your online presence.